everybody, it's me, Beast Mode, and today I'm going to be giving all you beginners out there, and maybe more experienced players, how to play soccer for beginners, and basically what you want to do to get better at soccer. So, first off, what you want to do while warming up for every practice is stretching. So, the first stretch we are going to be doing is called lunging. Actually, let's do cradles. So, you want to bring your leg up like this, put your foot to your leg, and kind of go up like that. Do this 5 times. I didn't do it 5 times. This is a demonstration. And then do the next leg 5 times. Next, you're going to want to do what's called the lunge and rotate. So you want to lunge, make sure your knee doesn't go over your foot, and rotate. Like that. Those are 2 simple stretches you can do. Next, we're going to be working on dribbling pulls. So some simple drills you can do to improve your footwork is first demonstration of popcorn, like I showed you in the last video. Just from ball to the other leg. The next one you can do is called V rolls, like that. And the next one you can do is called reverse V. So where you bring it out with this foot, like that. You want to bring it out with this foot, take it in with this foot, like this. So you have it in front. Now I'm going to be showing you some simple shooting drills and moves that you can get by your defenders. If you are enjoying this video so far, I would really appreciate it if you like and subscribe, which can help me give you guys the content that you enjoy, like beginner tips videos and other videos as well. So I hope you guys enjoy my videos and I hope you keep. Okay, so now we're going to be doing some simple shooting drills. For example, the first one is to get by your defenders, is you want to do what's called the fake shot to real shot. So what you want to do is dribble ahead, pretend you're going to shoot. If you're right-footed, you want to pretend to shoot with your left, bring it across, and that way, that's how you can shoot it. Now I'm demonstrating this from the first person point of view. So the tennis ball right here is going to be the pretend defender. So first I will show you it right. Here's the right-footed view. I'm going to take it up with the left. Come and fly away with me. Come and fly away with me. Come and fly away with me. Now let's try the left. If you're left-footed. Come and fly away with me. Come and fly away with me. And then shoot it to the right. Now that's the way you can do. It's free. So now, for the next drill, we are going to be doing something a little different. We are going to be doing some fake moves. So, I'm going to end it soon here, guys, but I hope you're enjoying and subscribing. It's free and it'll help you guys. And now we're going to be demonstrating some shooting drills. So what we're going to do is take your foot, put the foot up right next to the ball, step back 2 steps, so it goes straight through the goal. That way, you can see it hits the side of your foot. Straight line drive into the goal. Now we're going to be focusing on curves, and I will show you. For curves, you want to strike the ball, touch your foot, but you want to hit the ball at an angle like this. So that way it can spin. Like here's an example. See how I kicked it straight that way? But it curved into the goal. Here is another Right up now. That is a demonstration of curving. And yeah, end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Tell me in the comments what else you want me to do, tricks and tips wise. And I hope you guys enjoy these videos. I really enjoy making them for you guys. And it would help me and you a lot by considering subscribing, because that way I can make more amazing content for you guys like this. And that way you guys can learn more about soccer and the other sports that I play, as well as maybe some of you. I hope you guys enjoy my videos, and I'll see you all.